My name is Ruth Vela, and I'm the Senior AI Marketing Manager at Tomorrow.io.
I am Madison Sofield. I work at Tomorrow.io. I'm based out of San Francisco, California, and I am our AI video content specialist. Tomorrow.io is a resilience platform. We have our own microwave sounders up in space that help businesses, governments, cities, you name it, be able to detect weather and weather events to be more resilient and to be more prepared for when things happen.
I wear a lot of hats, and I basically lead marketing with an AI-first approach, always trying to use AI in every single one of our strategies and processes, as well as bringing AI to the wider go-to-market and organization. So AI is changing video a ton. I think we are in this really weird spot right now where people are trying to figure out how to stay the most authentic that they can. You need to be the person on camera, even if it's from the beginning, and you get to do something with that later. With the internet being flooded with so much written content, a lot of it is AI generated. How can I trust that an actual person made that? If I see someone on camera, I know someone at some point was behind a camera, and I think that's what is exciting about video, and just it's a good way to build trust and to keep people educated in a way that they know, oh, there's someone speaking to me. You see companies running ads that are very obviously AI. How do you do that in a strategic way that your audience can't tell and they still are seeing something that they can trust? I think video is going to help us get there, and AI is just going to help us do that even faster.
Some of the challenges that we faced before using HeyGen was definitely just time, right? When you think about trying to get an executive to sit down and do something like this, right? Sit in front of like a really nice, screen and have the whole video set up because you want to look professional. You have to fit in their busy schedule, and also takes time to get a whole crew out and to set a time up and then get the content back and then make the video. So it takes maybe weeks to make a really nice professional looking ad or video, and we were looking to close that amount of time it took to create a professional looking campaign. And so really just kind of resolved that pain for us while also being able to create really high quality content on like a small team. My first impression of HeyGen was that I was really excited to use a tool that could just kind of like magically create me a video of our CMO. When I watched my first HeyGen video, it both felt really cool but also really weird because I just created a video of my boss, basically, right? And it was like, I'm wielding so much power that I, of course, will use responsibly. But it was one weird, just be like, wow, this looks so real. It feels like him, yet he never said any of this. But also really cool, because I immediately got to make something and produce it for my team, for us to use for ads that were going to, target accounts. And it was really exciting to be able to immediately get to use it towards something. The power of these tools and how far we come with AI, that, an AI avatar feels like the real guy, which is amazing.
So it's giving us time to do other things that we otherwise wouldn't have been able to do, because you have to spend so much time on the video work itself. In terms of having other things within HeyGen help, we've found ways to use voiceovers. We've found ways to use key features. You guys have an entire UGC library. So it's really fun to just be able to pick okay, does this guy fit the vibe? No. Does this person fit the vibe? Okay, great, let's use this voice. Even if I don't want to use the video, I can use the voice. And there's so many things within the tool that give us ideas for the bandwidth that we actually have now, that we can focus on other tasks, other priorities, and give us time to brainstorm. How many videos do we create a year? So many. And now we don't have to have so many on-sites to record all of that, which helps us save, money on how often we're using our contractor. And is that actually a video that he needs to be working on? No, there are bigger projects that he can go work on. And now we are strategically focused on what kind of content is being created by who and where it's going, right? So we're seeing savings in time. I think overall are probably saving 2 to 3 months of time in just back and forth conversations for creating video assets. We have also seen higher conversions on our ads using AI video because we're able to stand up those campaigns a lot faster and get the videos out faster, so we're seeing results a lot quicker. We're actually seeing clicks on them compared to some of our other video campaigns. They perform just as good, if not better than those. And my theory is that people trust someone behind a camera, and they trust them if they're speaking their language, and it helps us create content that actually resonates with the audience. One of the comments that we get all the time, from new customers, from existing customers, is you guys do great content. Who makes all your stuff? Your marketing team must be huge. No, it's 3 people. And that's the exciting thing is our customers have a positive perception of tomorrow.io, and they have a positive perception of the content we create and how it's helpful for them. And the fact that they don't always recognize it's AI is a plus, because we know that it is helping us to make consistent, trustworthy content. The magic moment for me using HeyGen was when I showed something we created with HeyGen to our CMO, and he was like, "This is awesome, can we show it at all hands?" And we're like, is this good enough to show at all hands? Yes it is. People need to see that this is even a capability that we have now. And it's exciting to have top-down buy-in, because if you don't have that, I've seen how that can impact a team that is just trying to do their best with the tools that they have access to right now. I think AI levels the playing field for a lot of small teams, as well as just gives you a competitive advantage if you know how to strategically use the things you're doing.
I think being able to produce professional quality content without outside help means, to me, it opens up the possibility of what I can do in my role and in my job. I use all these different tools to create videos all the time for our channel, but that varies of quality and what my range is, right? I don't have a background in videography. I didn't, go to school for that. And, what I can do is be the person that makes the creative plan, the campaign plan, or whatever it is for that video. And now, not only can I just think of the script, I can say, oh, I made it. I made the video. I'm not just handing it off to someone. I can complete the full circle of the project, which is really exciting. It's very cool.
Seeing my ideas transform into videos is really fun. It's really fun because I can make anything. It gives me a sense of pride of, hey, look what I made. And then I send it to someone that I'm like, hey, is this as good as the other stuff that we're making? And if they say yes, it fits in, then you feel even better because you understand your brand. That's truthfully what it is. It's, okay, I am so proud of this because I know how to talk about tomorrow. I know what tomorrow needs to feel like and look like, and I know what it needs to resonate with and who this is for. And the fact that I can do that in a few hours using HeyGen is amazing. It gives me the sense of, okay, great, I know what I'm doing, and I know who I'm talking to in a way that is gonna get them to wanna talk to us. And that's hard to do in marketing. One thing that I've said to our sales reps is, hey, do you wanna be able to close deals 10 times faster? Because I have a way that you can send a message that is personalized to 50 people, and it's actually a fun video that you just have to spend 30 seconds making.